So fresh delivery from Datalogic. Been a bit excited, opened the box already, but what's in there hasn't been opened yet. So let's have a look together. I'm going to start with a thing that actually looks like, ooh, security seal, nice. We'll start with the box that actually looks like the Memor 12. See what we get in here. So you've got all the late night reading paraphernalia to go with it, but here's the thing we're all excited about. So it looks like you get some sort of screen protector on there out of the box anyway. You've then got the battery to go with it. Now, like a lot of companies, outside the out of the box, you don't get any charging accessories. So you don't get a charging USB cable, for example, but most people, because it's Type-C, most people have one of these cables laying about anyway. So running the latest, you've got Android 13 on here with all the latest security patches on there. So we'll wait for that to load up and come back, have a look at that in a moment. We've then got, let's have a look, let's go with the biggest one. So, okay, so it looks like we've got a charging cradle as well. Again, bit of late night reading. Okay, so not much to say about this. Again, Type-C at the back. You then just dock the device in like so. And I must find out what we've got in this little brown bag. Velcro feet. How very exciting. Moving on, we have the power supply. So like I say, you don't get any charging paraphernalia with the device. So if you haven't got a device, you will need to order both the charging brick and the charging cable to go with it. The charging brick itself comes with what we've got: EU, US, Australian and UK plugs in there. And then finally we have an adapter for the cradle